In WhatsApp, if you want to pin any messages in any chat, you can do that. Here we are not telling about pinning any chat, we are telling about how to pin messages in any chat. For this, first what we need to do is open WhatsApp application. After that, select the contact in which you want to pin any message. For example, I am selecting this chat. After that, select the message which you want to pin. For example, I want to pin this message. To pin that message, what you need to do is long press on that message. When you are long pressing, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option, pin. Click on this pin option. When you are clicking on that, you will be asked to select the time. If you want to pin this message for 24 hours, you can select 24 hours, or if you want, you can select 7 days or 30 days. Anyways, for example, I am selecting 24 hours. After that, click on this pin button. When you are clicking on that, that message will be pinned. Here you can see that message is pinned. After that, if any message is coming also, this message you can see here. So if it is any important messages, you can pin it like this. So this way you can easily pin messages in WhatsApp chat. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.